Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to stop spam and scam calls on your iPhone using one of the new features in iOS 26. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Then continue scrolling until you find the phone option and tap on it. Inside the phone settings, scroll down again until you see Silence Unknown Callers. Once you turn this on, all calls from unsaved numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and shown in your recent calls list. And if you don't want calls to appear in the recent list, turn on the unknown callers option so missed calls and voicemails from unknown numbers will be moved to a specific list. And that's it. Now you know how to stop scam and spam calls on your iPhone.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.